Hello and welcome to another episode of Jeff and Jeff. Service your own AC. Is your AC not working properly or working at all? Is it dripping and leaking water? More often than not do I run into a problem where you can fix it yourself with only a vacuum and a water hose. One of the most common service calls I get come from a backed up condensate line or drain line. Dirt, grime, and algae build up in this pipe, causing to either flood your floor or turn the system off if you have a sensor flow switch. Maintain a clean drain line with bleach and or distilled white vinegar. The P-trap is located either on the inside or the outside and is necessary to keep the air from being sucked in the drain line, and is usually where the blockage occurs. There is usually a fitting that is unglued so you can pull apart to clean your drain line. Make sure you have a good pitch on the drain line so the water can drain efficiently. This is a sensor called a flow switch, in which turns off the AC when the condensate line is backed up with water. This is another sensor that turns your system off activated by water due to your coil freezing up or dripping on the floor.
No way.
Highly recommended to prevent damage to wood or carpet floor. There's 3 ways to clean your condensation line. Nitrogen, used mostly by technicians, quick and easy to use. Sometimes your only option when working in a multi-story apartment or office building. Water hose, in my opinion, the most effective way to clean and flush your drain line. Shop vac, another effective way to clean your line. Remove the paper filter and attach the end to the pipe outside using tape or a rag to maximize the suction. Very important to check, replace, and or clean your filter every 45 days for better efficiency. It helps to check the condition of your coil. You can do this by removing your filter and snapping a picture with your phone. This one is fairly dirty. Once it's too dirty, the AC can freeze up, flood, and stop cooling efficiently. Another way to check the efficiency of your unit is to hold both copper pipes going into the unit. The smaller one, the liquid line, should be warm to hot. The bigger line, the suction line, should be nice and cold. If it's freezing, you have a problem. This can be done on the inside and or the outside. On the outside unit, the condenser, it's always good to check the air coming out of it should be hot. There's also a coil located on the outside as well. It should be cleaned with a water hose for better efficiency. Hope you enjoyed. Till next time.